Magnolia put on a shooting clinic in the first half as the Hotshots beat the Columbian Dyip 126-101 on Wednesday in the PBA Commissioner's Cup at the Smart-Araneta Coliseum. The Hotshots Pambansang Manok scored 72 points in the first half after converting 68% on their shots on their way to a second consecutive win after losing their first game of the conference. The Dyip fell to an even 3-3 mark. Vernon Macklin spearheaded the Hotshots attack, finishing with 19 points and 8 rebounds, with Paul Lee and Mark Barroca also teaming up with the Magnolia to build a big lead in the first 2 quarters of the game. And pinag-usapan namin, we need to respect our opponent, this Colombian team dahil last few games, maganda ang linalaro nila, said Magnolia coach Chito Victolero. Macklin played his penultimate game for the Hotshots this conference after accepting an offer to play for China. But the Magnolia import didn't show signs of slowing down as he already had 19 points midway in the game before resting for the most part of the second half. Lee and Barroca each had 17 points and combined for 22 points in the first half. It's a battle of defense versus our offense. Maganda yung minsan ng bata. Maganda yung start namin. We tried to match up their 3 guards with our 3 guards. Maganda namin ang resulta, Victolero said. John Fields had 22 points and 19 rebounds for the Dyip, who trailed by as many as 38 points in the game. The scores. Magnolia 126, Macklin 19, Sangalang 18, Lee 17, Barroca 17, Ramos 12, Jalalan 11, De La Rosa 8, Abundo 7, Pascual 6, Herndon 5, Mendoza 2, Brondial 2, Simon 2, Rivas 0, Gamalinda 0. Columbian 101, Fields 22, King 19, McCarthy 12, Tubad 9, Cabunta 9, Corpus 8, Salata 7, Cabrera 6, Lastimosa 5, Cahilig 4, Ababu 0, Yi 0, Escoto 0, Gabriel 0. Quarters: 37-18, 72-43, 97-71, 126-101.